In this segment, we're going to cover removing the calipers. On this particular car, it's relatively easy. It only requires one tool, and that's a 14mm wrench or socket. And that's on this lower bolt. Just crack the nut loose. We'll remove this lower bolt. It's actually a pin. Once that's removed, it allows this caliper to slide out, and it basically pivots on this front pin up here, and you just slide it up, and you can just slide it straight back and slide it off that pin. Now, we're going to need to compress this caliper back in before we can install the new brake pads, and you don't want to just let this caliper dangle here because it's applying tension on the brake line. If you can find a place where it'll set in there and support its own weight without falling, that'll work just fine. Or you could attach it with a bungee cord, piece of baling wire, anything you have, a zip tie, that'll hold that caliper up and keep it from supporting its weight dangling on that brake line. Please watch our next segment, and we'll remove the brake pads and the caliper mounting bracket.